Jessica and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got these nails for just under $7. I think they turned out really nice and yeah, they cute or whatever. If you want to see how I do them, then just keep watching the video. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and thank you so much for watching. These are all the supplies that you'll need. I'm starting off with prepped hands. I'm going to grab my file and then begin to buff them out. Apparently that helps the nail to stick easier. I'm not really sure. And then I'm using this brand. It's called Terrific Tips. I got this at my local Sally's for $4.99, which isn't bad because they come in a pack of 100 nails. So you can do a lot of different styles with them. So I set out each nail that fits my finger. And they are nail tips, so what I did was buff them out so that they can fit my cuticle shape. And this is the longest step. After this step, it's really easy peasy. Yeah. So I'm using this glue. This glue is really sticky, so you won't have any problems with your nail coming off. You know, it's always nice to have professionally done nails, but it's so much cheaper to do them yourself. And I get tired of nails like after a while, so I can easily change them out to, you know, any style that I want. And you want to make sure that you press down your nail for like 30 seconds or so. You don't have to. I didn't. I did like 20 seconds. Okay, so I'm going to cut them. Where the heck did they go? They just flew off so fast. I'm gonna clean my room and find like 10 of them in the crevices somewhere. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna file them to smooth them out, and yeah, you can just watch me. Okay, so this is the nail polish I'm gonna use. It's cute. It's called Red Carpet, and it's this sparkly red color, and I think it's just perfect for Valentine's Day. I don't even celebrate Valentine's Day. Like, I have no one to celebrate it with. You know, I'm the type of person to buy myself my own gifts, you know, like self-love 2018. I'm all about that. Okay, the rest is pretty self-explanatory. Don't focus too hard on me painting my nail because I'm so bad at painting my right nail. My left hand looks so gorgeous, but this hand got some problems, alright? I'm just going to clean up with the Q-tip. And I'm going to apply a second coat. And then I'm going to apply a top coat. So yeah, that's the end product. I think they turn out pretty nice. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, subscribe, all of that. Show me love, because you know I'm not gonna get love on Valentine's Day. Just kidding. No, actually I'm serious. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.